Hey guys, I'm Isla. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do a get ready with me. I did one of these a month ago, and a lot of people really liked it, so I'll do it again. I'm not really doing anything different, but sometimes I just like to watch these over and over again, especially if you have short hair like me. There's not a lot of people that have short hair that I feel like put videos out on how to like style it, so I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is my hair. I've just washed it and it's air dried, so you can see, I don't ever know how to really describe the texture. It's kind of just like wavy-ish. And I don't think it actually looks like too bad, but I don't know. I put a ton of product in it already, so I don't want to just like leave it and kind of have wasted the product. But I'm going to just blow dry it and see how it goes from there. I'm also going to pick out an outfit and show you guys how I do like picking out an outfit process. I always like have to have some sort of picture or idea in mind, so I'll show you how I do that, and we'll just go from there. To get started, my hair is already pretty much all the way dry, and I won't be as descriptive in this video as I was in my last video, so I'll link that last video in the description so you can watch it if you want to see. I do use all Virtue hair products. I love Virtue. I feel like it makes my hair so much easier to work with and so much smoother. If I didn't have Virtue, I probably wouldn't have cut off my hair because my hair is not naturally smooth, but it makes it really smooth and easy to work with. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair out straight, and then I'll figure out what outfit I want to do and then decide if I want to curl it or straighten it. I kind of want to see what it's going to be like curly, like with a straightener, because I never really do that anymore, but we'll see how this goes.
I probably shouldn't say this, should keep it all inside, but maybe I'm just wasted enough to speak my mind. I've been wrestling with the darkness, searching for a light switch. Tell me, can you help me get through? I've been trying to find a reason, drowning in the deep end. Can you tell me what I should do? I wanna feel high on a Sunday morning. I wanna feel like it's all brand new. I wanna feel strong when I feel like falling. I wanna feel everything you do. I wanna feel like it's all brand new. I wanna feel everything you do. Show me how you do it. I can see the light that's in your eyes. Tell me when the truth is. How the hell did you not lose your mind? I've been wrestling with the darkness, searching for a light switch. Tell me, can you help me get through? Been trying to find a reason, drowning in the deep end. Can you tell me what I should do? I wanna feel high on a Sunday morning. I wanna feel like it's all brand new.
Alright, Mom's done blowing it out. I don't think it looks perfect, but I don't really want to spend more time on it. You can see it, my hair is just really smooth. And it's all from the Virtue stuff, especially I've been using the, see this cowlick. Whatever. I've been using it's like a deep conditioner every time I wash my hair, which is like every 3 days, so I don't wash my hair every day. But if I do this whole process, this will last me for 3 days, then I use that product every 3 days, and I feel like it really has made a huge difference in my hair. So if you don't feel like you have very smooth hair, then I would definitely try to get that, even just that product. I mean, I use all of it, so I'm not really sure what's what, but I really feel like I felt a difference once I started using that every 3 days in my hair. And it's just like, I normally just put it on my hair while I'm like shaving my legs or something, and then that's enough, so. Alright, I think I'm gonna go try to kind of like pick an outfit out, and then I'll see what I want to do with the rest of my hair. Okay, so this may be weird, but this is kind of like my process. So first I look at pictures on Pinterest, because what else would we do without Pinterest? So I normally look at this. You can follow me on Pinterest if you want to, and I have this board called Basics. And I don't know why I called it Basics, I think because this is kind of like, it started out as just kind of like a basic wardrobe idea. But now it's, well, this will not focus. Now it is just all that I only want to wear basic outfits. So this is my like kind of like my favorites for 2019. If I had like a bunch of money, I would buy all these new clothes. So let's see if I can kind of like do any outfits like this. I'm just going to like an indoor house party, like just like a get together. So I don't need to be like too fancy. I kind of like this idea. I think I have jeans like this. Oh, you can't. I like this idea. I have jeans like this, but they're not with me, so I guess I can't really do that. I love wide leg pants, but I have like one pair that I wear all the time. I really want some more, but I don't have any. So you can see like these are all wide leg because that's really what I want. Let's see if I can do any of these outfits. I honestly might just repeat the same outfit that I wore to that thing. Alright, I mean, I just don't have any pants like these. This is a bad idea for me to look at this because I don't have any of these clothes right now. Oh, this is cute. But I feel like this is not really like a get-together type of outfit, but maybe. Let's go to my other board. So this is like my just like general board. You can, I really love just like basic colors like blue jeans, green, brown, white, beige. That's like my favorite. Oh, this would be cute, but I don't really know if I have an outfit like this. I may actually have an outfit that would work kind of like this. What else? I love these just like all white outfits. I guess I could do something like that. I don't know if I have any. I have like wide leg white pants that may work, but I don't want to look like too dressy. I love this. Like this, like I post this all the time. It's just like a button shirt tucked into jeans. I don't know why, but I think looks just super like classic and stylish. What else could I wear? None of these outfits because I don't have any of these clothes. Maybe I'll just do like blue jeans and like a white shirt. Alright, enough of this. Let's look at what I actually own. Okay, so I just filmed a whole part that I actually didn't record. But I went through my closet and I just looked through. This is my entire wardrobe. I don't have many clothes because I don't have a job and I'm kind of like homeless. And all my clothes are just at my boyfriend's house. So when I need new clothes, I just pick out of this. So, I was going to wear, what was I going to wear? This. But I don't have anything to go under it. I normally wear it with this just gray tank top, but I don't have the tank top with me. It's in Charleston where I'm living right now. So I'm going to just put together this outfit. These pants I got from Zara. They're really heavy and they didn't really work out the way I want them to work out. They're not super flattering on me, but I'm just going to give them a shot with this shirt that I love. I got it from a thrift store a long time ago in England, actually, like 4 years ago, but I love it. I love the cut, I love the color. Yeah, so we're gonna see with these if I can kind of make a Pinteresty vibe with these two. All right, I'm in my boyfriend's closet trying to figure out if I like this outfit. I think I'm just gonna wear it. This is supposed to kind of be like not look like that. It's supposed to be like straight like this. I think it's good. Yes, I'm trying to figure out which shoes to wear. I was gonna go for my Gucci loafers, but I like wear those all the time. I always try to find different shoes to wear. I can wear these sneakers, but I feel like if I wear these sneakers, I really can't look too dressy up top. These, I don't know if these go either. I don't know. I'm gonna wear these just because I feel like they lengthen my leg. Like my legs look so much longer in those than these, and I already have short legs. So, but this is a good. I wear this too, but maybe like not when I freshly do my hair because I kind of want to try to curl it and see what happens. I think I'm just gonna keep my hair straight because I don't know. I just like it like this. I mean, I even just like it like this, but I don't know if that's really gonna stay like that Plus, it's just like a friend's house, and you ever like get too dressed up, and people are like, "Why are you so dressed up? You're so weird." I feel like that's what would happen if I would curl my hair. But I'm just gonna put makeup on, and then I'm gonna straighten through my hair so it stays good. But I'll just quickly go through my makeup. It's literally the same exact thing as I did on my last video. So again, I will link that in the description box. So if you're really interested, you can watch like kind of the more full description in that video. But look, my shirt is from the Goodwill. I don't know what brand it is. The brand is ripped out, and it's actually from a thrift store in England, so who knows where it's actually from. These pants are from Zara. They're too big, so I have to roll them up, but you do what you have to do. And my shoes are also from Zara. I got them though like 3 years ago, so I'm not sure if they still sell them. They're a size too big, but I just make them work. And I'll show you, my makeup is the same as I normally do my makeup, and I just cut my hair straight. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If please like and subscribe because I post videos every week.